Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna troubleshooting the error code 1020 appearing on ChatGPT. So just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. Alright, so the first thing you need to require is to go to your browser settings, and over there you have to go to privacy and security. And once you're there, now you need to go to cookies and other size data. And once you are there, now you have to delete all the cookies of ChatGPT. So now simply in the search bar you have to search for OpenAI, and all the cookies related to OpenAI, just you have to delete all of them. Once you have done, now just simply go and reload the page, and it will ask you to log in with your account again. So you have to log in with it. And once you have logged in back, now check if your problem is fixed or not. If it's fixed, then it's perfect. If not, then move to the next solution. So secondly, what you can do is to go to your command prompt, and over there you have to type ipconfig/flush DNS. Now what it basically does, it will flush all the corrupted DNS of your PC. So after flushing the DNS, go to ChatGPT, reload the page, and check if the solution works or not. And in the case if it's still the same, then move to the third solution. The third thing you can do is to go to your Google Chrome web store, and over there you need to add an extension of VPN. So I suggest you to add this collab VPN, which is basically a good and efficient VPN. So you can go and add this extension on your browser, and then simply connect this VPN to any of the suitable server just according to your region, and check if the problem is fixed or not. Alright, so if the problem is fixed, then it's good. Otherwise you can proceed with the last solution. So if anything doesn't work from these solutions, then in the last, here is a free alternative for ChatGPT, which is as similar as ChatGPT. So for that, simply you need to again go to your Google Chrome web store, and over there you have to search for ChatGPT, and you can see here we have an extension for ChatGPT for Google. So simply go ahead and add this extension to your browser. Once the extension is added, you can simply use it for free. You can see it's as similar as the ChatGPT, but I think it's the original ChatGPT. Anyway, so you can go ahead and try this. So on this extension you can also ask ChatGPT and it will reply you. So let's ask something. Alright, so here we go. So this is basically how you can fix the error code 1020 on ChatGPT. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.